In the peaceful town of Anointed Ville, four best friends built the Giggle Treehouse, their secret kingdom. It had beanbag chairs, walkie-talkies, storybooks, and snacks. The clever crew consisted of Becky, Jayden, Lulu, and Toby, each with unique skills. One Saturday, they found the treehouse damaged. The floor creaked, the roof sagged, and the rope ladder was barely hanging. Becky insisted they fix it together. Jayden suggested improvements, and Lulu started planning Project Treehouse Revival. The crew gathered around Lulu's notebook to plan. They needed new planks, a waterproof roof, and a sturdier ladder. Toby suggested a pulley system, and Jayden wanted a secret door. They were excited to start the project. For supplies, Becky got wooden nails from her grandpa. Lulu found a top and streamers. Jayden bought tools and rope, and Toby had glow-in-the-dark paint. They were ready to make the treehouse magical. On Fix-It Day, they wore work shirts and goggles. Toby and Jayden fixed the floor, while Lulu and Becky secured the roof. They took breaks for snacks and laughed at mishaps, like Becky painting her nose green. By sunset, the treehouse was strong and sparkling. They added a pulley system, and Grandma Grace sent up cookies. The friends celebrated their success, enjoying cookies and the stars from their cozy treehouse. Becky reflected on their teamwork, saying they solved the problem step by step. Jayden noted the fun in fixing things together. Toby toasted to the clever crew, celebrating their friendship and problem-solving skills. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!